Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Abigail. I share helpful content about making money online, tech tips, and freelancing opportunity you can start right from your home. So in today's video, I'll be sharing 5 websites where beginners can find real writing jobs. No degree needed, no fancy experience. I'm going to be explaining how to apply to this website, the requirements, and how much you can earn. So stick around to the end of this video to pick the one that suits you best. So the first one we are going to talk about is Writer Tribe. So this platform is beginner friendly and perfect if you are looking to get started as a freelance writer. So this Writer Tribe is based in Kenya, but is accessible to writers worldwide. So the types of writing job you can find on this website are product review, press releases, informative articles, YouTube scripts, blog writing, email copy, and content for websites, even ghostwriting. So these are the types of writing jobs you can find on Writers Tribe. So if you don't want to write on product review or press release, just pick the one you want to work on, then work on it. So let's talk about how much you can earn. So on Writer's Stripe, you can earn as low as $30 to $100 per article, depending on the topics and length. So let's talk about the process of application. So what we are going to do is firstly is to register on their platform. So to do that, you are going to head over to writerstripe.com. Then you scroll down to the footer and click on Write for Us. You'll be asked to submit a short writing sample and your basic information. So the other requirement is that you must have a good writing skills, strong command of English, the ability to follow guidelines. Then you must have a computer, internet access, and you must be able to learn. Also, you must be able to meet up with their deadline. So no professional experience is needed, but writing samples helps a lot. So these are the process of application. Then when you, after you register, you'll be asked to take 3 tests. So within the space of 4 days. So after you take the test, if you are qualified, they are going to get back to you within 24 hours. So if you fail, then you can retake the test after 90 days. So, but I will advise you not to create multiple accounts because they don't encourage that, they don't support that. So, but in as much you fail, you can still retake the test. So that is that about Writer's Tribe. So before we move to the next one, if you are watching this video and you're here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please guys, kindly take a few seconds to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video, give these videos a thumbs up. I really appreciate this. It goes a long way. So make sure you on your notification bell so that anytime I release video tutorial, you'll be notified. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to your question. So let's continue. Let's add on to the second one, which is Skyward. So this one is a bit professional, but don't be scared. They also hire fresh writers if your portfolio is clean. So you are going to make sure that you have a working paper because that is the medium through which they pay. So if you don't know how to create a paper account anywhere in the world, I have a video for that. Just click in the link, you will watch the video. All right, so now for you to apply on Skyward, you are going to head to skyward.com and click on Join as Creator, fill out the form and create your profile with writing samples and the industries you specialize in. So what Skyward does is that they connect freelance writers with big brands like think tech, travel, finance, and lifestyle content. So I'm going to tell you their requirement. Number one, you must have at least 1 to 2 writing samples. Now, to get a sample, you don't need a client. What you can just do is that you get a topic, write on it, make sure that what you are writing, write an article that is well detailed, high quality, so that when they submit it, this determines if they are going to pick you. So make sure you write a high quality article, then you can submit. Just write 1 or 2 samples. Do you understand? Pick a good topic, specialize in one, niche it down. Then also another requirement is that you must have good grammar and research skills. Do you get? So that is that about their requirement. You know that you must have a computer internet access. So that is that about that. Let's talk about their rates. Yeah, so they earn up to 50 to um $250 per article. They even pay $1 per word. So that means if you write 1,000 word, you are making $1,000. That's a huge sum of money. So now, if you are newbie in writing, like you don't have any form of experience in writing, you don't have any idea all about it, do you know that you can actually learn for free on Skillshare? So this is their platform. So it's a big community that helps learner like you, somebody that wants to learn. If you want to learn writing or other things, such as they have classes on freelancing, marketing, writing, copywriting, entrepreneurship, creative writing, essay writing. So you can take classes on this, learn it, then you can start working as a freelancer on this website. So they have given you free opportunity to learn. So that is for those people that are newbie, that they don't have any form of experience. And one thing about this platform and website where you can work is that you don't need a degree. Do you understand? You don't need a certificate. All they request for you is just an experience. Do you understand? And you can get that free on Skillshare. So that is that about Skyward. So let's go to the third one. So before we go to the third one, if you are still watching this video and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you give these videos a thumbs up, like this video, and make sure you on your notification bell so that anytime we release video, you'll be notified. So the third website is LitCharts. So if you're a literature lover, this next one we excite you, which is LitCharts. So they hire freelance writer to write detailed study guide, character analysis, and summarize of novel, plays, and poem. So how to apply to this website? You go to litchart.com, scroll down to find Write for LitChart. Click on that and you'll be asked to fill out basic form. Choose a book from their list, submit a sample literacy analysis. So it is competitive process, but if you love storytelling and analyzing literature, you are going to enjoy it. So the requirements for this is strong writing skills, ability to interpret themes and character. Then the third one is that you don't need a literature degree, but it helps if you are familiar with literature analysis. So how much is their payment? How much they pay? So they pay typically from $100 to $150 per article. So depending on length and depth. So you also have deadlines. So be sure to plan your time if you are applying. So let's go to the fourth one, which is WordApp. WordApp, yes. So now let's talk about WordApp. It's a lesser known platform but great for building what experience. So if you are looking for a way to build an experience, just checking on this website. So this is a content creation tools that connect writers with businesses that need SEO articles, product description, travel content, and more. So how do you apply? Visit wordapp.com, create a free account with them, and take their short writing test. Once approved, you will start receiving small tasks directly inside your dashboard. So the requirement is that you must have a solid grammar and spelling, ability to write simple SEO-friendly content, the willingness to follow templates and guidelines. So they provide training and you will get a real-time feedback to improve your work. So the pay rate is starting is from $0.01 to $0.03 per word, which is roughly $10 to $30 per article. So, but as your quality rating improves, you'll unlock high-paying projects. So it's a great place to learn, grow, and build your writing skills. So the last one, not the least, is Test Royal. This is another beginner-friendly site that offers a variety of writing jobs, from blog posts to press releases. So how do you apply? Number one, you go to testroyal.com and click on Join as a Writer. You'll be guided through you'll be asked to write a short test, then some basic grammar check, and a quick onboarding. So if you pass, you will get access to their writing assignments almost immediately. Strong number one, the requirement is you have to have strong English writing skills, ability to adapt tone and format. They must be able to follow instruction closely. So their rate is they pay between $0.03 to $0.07 per word, depending on your writer's level. So this is approximately $15 to $70 per article. So, and they pay through PayPal or Payoneer. So if you don't know how to, maybe you don't have PayPal account or Payoneer, just click on the link below you to watch how you can create your PayPal anywhere in the world. So if you find this video very helpful and it is highly informative, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and also click on notification bell so that anytime I release video tutorial you'll be notified. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.